The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 422.21, addresses the installation of panelboards in closets or similar enclosures. This section focuses on preventing fire hazards and ensuring safe operation by restricting panelboard placement under certain conditions. A key concern is the storage of combustibles. The code prohibits panelboards in closets where files, records, clothing, or other combustible materials are stored. This restriction aims to minimize the risk of a fire originating at the panelboard spreading to nearby flammable items, or a fire originating with the combustible spreading to the panelboard and potentially energizing the enclosure and related metal parts. The presence of flammable vapors or gases is another prohibited condition. Panelboards should not be installed in closets where flammable vapors or gases are likely to accumulate. This is to prevent ignition of these vapors or gases by electrical arcing or heat generated by the panelboard. Such an accumulation could lead to an explosion or fire. The code also addresses corrosive vapors. Panelboards are not permitted in closets where corrosive vapors are likely to accumulate. Corrosive vapors can damage the panelboard's components, leading to malfunctions, failures, and potentially hazardous conditions. The code recognizes exceptions to these restrictions, allowing panelboards in closets under specific circumstances. One exception is when the closet or enclosure is constructed of fire-resistant material, having a minimum 1 hour fire rating. This provides a level of protection by containing a fire within the closet for at least 1 hour, giving occupants time to evacuate and firefighters time to respond. Another exception is when access to the closet or enclosure is restricted to authorized persons only and the enclosed panelboard is the only electrical equipment in the closet or enclosure. This limited access in the absence of other electrical equipment reduces the likelihood of unauthorized access, tampering, and accidental contact with energized parts and reduces the possibility of fire originating from other electrical equipment. In summary, Article 422.21 of the National Electrical Code sets forth restrictions on the placement of panelboards in closets to prevent fire hazards and ensure electrical safety. The code prohibits panelboards in closets where combustible materials are stored, where flammable vapors or gases are likely to accumulate, or where corrosive vapors are likely to accumulate. However, exceptions are provided where the closet is constructed of fire-resistant material with a minimum 1 hour fire rating, or where access is restricted to authorized persons only and the enclosed panelboard is the only electrical equipment present.